Most sneakers get worse with age, not better. The more you wear them, the more they break down until they're pretty much just ready for the trash. But what if there was a sneaker that actually improved over time? A handcrafted, whole-cut leather sneaker that develops a rich patina and conforms to your foot like a second skin. Crown Northampton, a small English shoemaker, has created just that with their Upton Wholecut. But at $358 and a 3-month wait time, are they worth it? Let's find out. Welcome to Stray Reviews. I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you find the best men's lifestyle gear and apparel. And today, I'm reviewing the Crown Northampton Upton Wholecut sneakers in Horween Brown Chromexcel leather with a gum sole. These handmade premium sneakers feature a whole-cut construction, meaning that the upper is crafted from a single piece of leather with only some hidden stitching throughout. To be honest with you, I couldn't find that hidden stitching. They draw inspiration from classic dress shoe design, but with a modern minimalist aesthetic. The Upton Wholecut is crafted in Northampton, England, and that's a region with over 900 years of shoemaking tradition. They're made with Horween Brown Chromexcel leather from Chicago's renowned Horween Leather Company, founded in 1905. These sneakers are fully leather lined, including that thick, squishy insole with a durable sidewall stitched sole that can actually be resoled if needed. They come with premium flat wax cotton laces and an extra set of insoles to help you tailor the fit. At $358, these aren't your typical sneakers, and since they're made to order, you're gonna wait 9 to 12 weeks to get your hands on them. But there might just be good reason for both the price and the wait. We're going to get into the good, the bad, and the bottom line, but if you'd like to take a closer look at the Crown Northampton Upton Wholecut sneakers, I'll leave a link down in the description below. All right, let's start with what makes these sneakers great. Well, first and foremost, the craftsmanship is impeccable. Every stitch is perfectly placed, if you can find them. The leather is meticulously cut, and the attention to detail is evident throughout the whole thing. The Horween Chromexcel leather is really something special, and yes, it smells amazing. This leather is typically used in high-end boots rather than sneakers, which gives these some really unique character. The leather is infused with oils and waxes through Horween's proprietary process, creating a material that's kind of supple, yet very durable and has great pull-up effect. Unlike typical sneakers that seem to deteriorate with age, these actually get better. The Chromexcel develops a patina, like I mentioned before, with each crease and each mark telling the story of your journeys. They're not just sneakers, they're actually footwear that gets better with age. The comfort level is pretty impressive. The extra squishy footbed means that you can wear them all day, even really before they're fully broken in. And once they do conform to your feet, they're going to be, like I said before, a second skin. A thick, leathery second skin. What I particularly love is the versatility with these. The brown Chromexcel leather and the flat wax laces keep them classy enough for, say, business casual settings, while this gum rubber sole maintains that casual sneaker vibe. You can wear these with jeans, chinos, and I would say, yeah, even with a blazer. The fact that these are resolable also makes them a more sustainable choice, and instead of throwing them away when the sole wears out, you can send them back to Crown Northampton for a refresh. Tap that like button for me if you appreciate handcrafted footwear that actually improves with age. All right, let's talk about the bad of the Crown Northamptons. First, let's kind of address that elephant in the room. These sneakers do require some breaking in. In an era where most people kind of expect instant comfort from their footwear, the idea of spending a few weeks breaking in a pair of sneakers might be off-putting to some. I think sometimes we associate the word sneakers with athletic shoes, and it's important to note that these are not athletic shoes. I am personally not going to play basketball in them or go for a run. These are more casual shoes, and they are sneakers. They are not athletic or running shoes. Also, as I mentioned before, the wait time on these is significant. And when we're used to next day delivery, waiting 9 to 12 weeks for a pair of sneakers does require some patience. While this is understandable, given they're handmade to order, it still might be a potential drawback for those who want immediate gratification. The price point of $358 puts these well above your mass market sneakers. While I believe that they're worth every penny, given the quality and the longevity, they're definitely an investment rather than an impulse purchase. Sizing can also be a little bit tricky. I went half a size up from Crown Northampton's recommendation and found that they gave me the perfect fit with a little bit of room to spread my toes without being too loose. When I previously tried their Overstone Derby in their recommended size, I really wish that they were just kind of slightly bigger. You tell me, what's your opinion about breaking in sneakers and waiting months for them to arrive? Let me know down in the comments below. All right, I'm gonna give you my bottom line opinion, but if you're getting some value out of this today, then I wanna invite you to the My Favorite Things free newsletter, where I send out a list of my favorite gear and apparel each month. And I'll leave a link to sign up for that down in the description as well. The Crown Northampton Upton Wholecut sneakers in Horween Brown Chromexcel are exceptional footwear, really by any measure. They represent the perfect marriage of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary design. Yes, they're expensive. Yes, you'll wait months to get them. And yes, they do require some breaking in. But in return, you get sneakers that will likely outlast every other pair in your closet. They'll look better with each wear, and they're going to provide a level of quality and craftsmanship that is increasingly rare in today's mass-produced world. These aren't just sneakers. These are grail sneakers that could potentially be with you for decades rather than seasons. If you appreciate quality, sustainability, and really timeless style, these are absolutely worth the investment and the wait. And they definitely make the list of my personal favorites. If you want to see my review of the Crown Northampton Overstone Derby sneaker, then check out this video here. I want to thank Crown Northampton for sending me these sneakers for review, and I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.